One of the common questions that we hear among investors who are just starting is this: is the stock market reliable? We have our industry expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us to explain whether the stock market is reliable and why Indians in general are afraid to invest in equities. Satish Prabhu, over to you.
And I will explain to you the important aspects of equity investing through stories. So there was this young gentleman who got lost in the desert. And obviously he was running out of water, he was running out of food. And he said that he thought that if I don't get water in the next, few minutes, I will die. And luckily for him, at the end of, after some time, he saw a hut and he said, oh my God, I'm so lucky. I'm seeing a hut and I'm sure there is water inside that hut. The moment he went inside that hut, he saw that there is a hand pump and he was extremely overjoyed and said that, oh, there is a hand pump. I'm sure there is water inside the hand pump. And he pressed on the hand pump, and all of us know how a hand pump works. He pressed on that hand pump, and to his disbelief that there was no water in that hand pump. And he said that, oh, where am I stuck? There is a hand pump, but there's no water. So, but at the same time, there was a small bottle in the corner of a hut and it had little water. The water would have been, quarter of a liter or something. He said that if I drink this water, I may quench my thirst for some time, but, I will need more water. But he saw that on the bottle, there was a note. The note said that if you put this water into the hand pump will start working. Now, he was in a catch-22 situation, saying that if he put that water in the hand pump and the hand pump doesn't work, then obviously he's going to die, right? Because he has not had water. He thinks that if I drink this water, anyway, I will live for a few more hours till I find water, but not more than that. And hence, he decides to take a leap of faith to believe in what is written on the bottle. And he pours that water into the hand pump. And to his surprise, the hand pump starts working. He has enough water not only to drink, but to get fresh and, do whatever he wants. At the end of the whole thing, the note on the bottle also said that, please fill this bottle again for the next visitor. So he fills up that bottle for the next visitor, but he also writes on the bottle, believe me, it works. Because he feels that people who read the note may not believe what's there on the note. I have tested what is written on the bottle and I know it works, but I must tell the others also that it works. Hence, he writes another note on the bottle saying, believe me, it works. Now, when it comes to equity investing, I can show you one number. All of us know that very few people invest in equities. And the big reason for that is it's not time tested. There are no examples of equity going viral, as they say. For a movie to get viral, the best way of virality is word of mouth. Everybody putting it out on social media, everybody telling each other, oh, this movie is a damn good movie. Everybody should watch it. Similarly, how many of us are putting things out on social media? Maybe they are there, but they are not enough. Or how many of us are explaining and conveying our experiences to others, saying that, believe me, this works. Perhaps we have less experience. We have not experienced wealth as much to tell people that, believe me, it works. But there are numbers to prove that equity works. And here is the first chart, which shows that equity from 2001 to 2023 has given you 16.4% returns in that period. And look at the other asset classes. While gold is a good asset class, but in the long run, equity has beaten gold hands down. So gold is at 12% and you have gilts, or you can call it as fixed income, has given around 7%. So equity is clearly an outlier in the return, but still very few people invest in equity. So here is a chart which shows that 80% of our money, and this is the savings or investments of people, 80% of our money is blocked in property, gold, and bank deposits. Obviously, property is around 50% of our wealth. Gold is the next, around 15, and bank deposits is around 14. So gold and bank deposits are almost equal, but 80% of our wealth is in these three asset classes. And I can tell you that these asset classes may not be the best asset class. We've just seen that equity gives outlier returns, but equity investments are just 5% of our investment pie. So that's the truth of equities.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.